In this video, I'm going to teach you how to edit product page in Woocommerce Elementor. Now, in order to do this, first head over to woocommerce.com. You can click onto the start here right there in order to create your account, or click onto this login right here in order to log into one. Now, let's head over next to our elementor.com. You need to have an account in here as well. So in order to do that, you can create it by clicking onto this Get Started option, or click onto this Login option right there in order to log into your account in here. Now, since I already have an account on both, let me head over and open them right here. So in here, you can see my product pages. So you can actually see all the products that I currently have. If you want, you can actually edit this particular product. Just head over and click onto this edit. And then from in there, you can see this particular product. If you want to see what it looks like into our changes, you can see in here this actual visibility and how it looks like on the catalog. So for example, you can set product image, galleries, categories, tags, brands, and the likes. For example, let's head over and click onto this right here and click on this preview changes. And you can see what it looks like when we actually search for it right here. If you want to edit this particular part, this is actually called the product page. You can do so by going right here to your WooCommerce and then creating or editing how it look like onto the pages option. So for example, head over to the pages right here and change what it looks like into this product by going right here to your actual pages for the refund as well as the shop. Click on edit right here and make sure to edit it with your Elementor. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.